SRDS Brad is a database you can use to access circulation and readership figures for print press, viewing figures for TV and digital, and listening figures for radio. You can also find contact details and advertising costs for media outlets, as well as information about out-of-home advertising. Access the SRDS Brad database from your subject guide or the database A to Z list on the library website. Alternatively, use the QR code or link on screen to go directly to the database guide. Please note that you will need to register for a personal account to gain full access to the content on SRDS Brad, and that access is restricted to 21 Manchester Met users at any one time. Please try again in a few minutes if you are turned away. Click on Go to Database to get the registration key that you will need to create your account. Take note of the instructions on screen and then click on Continue to Brad to access the database and create your personal account. Please email library@mmu.ac.uk if you have any issues with creating your account. Once you have created your account, whenever you access SRDS Brad in future, you will need to click on SRDS Brad Login and enter your login details. This is the home page. There are several ways to access content. You can enter a search term into the search box, browse profiles, or select your chosen media from the options. I'm going to select Digital Brands. You can filter your results using the options on the left-hand side, by category, owner or company, or geographical coverage. Available options may differ depending on which media channel you have chosen. If there is a plus symbol next to one of the options, click on it to view further subcategories. I am interested in the digital edition of Elle magazine. Click on the plus symbol to reveal further information about this title. Check the box next to the title to add it to a list to refer back to. Don't forget to click Save to create a permanent list. Click on the title to access more information about it. From this page, you can access a media pack and use the tabs at the bottom of the screen to locate key contact details, circulation metrics, and advertising rates. Please note that some data may not be available as part of our subscription. Some content has been hidden for the purposes of this demonstration for data protection. In this example, I'm looking for information relating to the printed edition of the Manchester Evening News. Click on Calculate AVE to calculate the advertising value equivalent for PR coverage in this publication. Use the tabs at the bottom of the screen to locate key contact details, circulation and readership figures, and advertising rates and production. For more help and information, please email library@mmu.ac.uk or visit the library website.